guys, we are finally back with a monthly hair vlog. It's been a little minute, but today has been a really chill day. I have the day off, so I've just been cleaning since 5 a.m. My hair has been in braids for the past 2 days because my wash and go did not last as long as I wanted it to. It was defined, but the upkeep at night, just like I wasn't really doing it. And then I just feel like if I wouldn't have stretched it, it would have lasted longer. So I think I'm gonna do that today when I do my pre-poo, shampoo, condition, and wash and go process. I am not gonna stretch it. Okay, y'all, it is time for lunch. 2 nights before, I made dairy-free rotel dip. It was really good. And then my own tortilla chips. So that is for lunch, just leftovers with that. But I ran out of tortilla chips, so hopefully my rice cracker type chips will be good with it. They're like a sweet chili flavor, so I don't know. I can give y'all the rundown on how I did the dairy-free dip. The only thing that I changed within the rotel dip with the ground turkey, the Italian sausage, and the rotel tomatoes with that, I just had a dairy-free cream cheese. You can get it from like Publix or whatever. So yeah, that'll be for lunch. So these are the chips I'm referring to. They are gluten-free. I am a little sensitive to gluten, so I try to stay away from it as much as I can. So this is what it is looking like. The only downside to that cream cheese is that it melts very quicker than regular cream cheese because it's made out of potato starch and some other things. So when I first cook it, I don't melt it all the way so it's thick, but the more you warm it up, it's more liquidy. So like that's the only downside to it. Let's see. Oh, they're also vegan and celiac friendly. It's still good. It doesn't interfere with the rotel dip, so it's fine. I am kind of in a rush. I really want to pre-poo my hair before I wash it. So I'm gonna try and just keep it in for about only an hour. And then my deep conditioner, technically it only needs to be in for 10 minutes anyway, but usually I do deep conditioning for 30. So I'll just keep it in for the minimum amount because I have somewhere I want to go and I don't really want to be late. It smells so good, so good. Okay, so I definitely left this overnight. So I'm gonna finish my hair today. I'm gonna wash this out and finish it today. I do need to post clothes on Poshmark, so I'm gonna try and get into that a little bit. I had to get my life together real quick. You see I got my coffee. Yeah, we're gonna get to it, but that's the plan for today. A lot of these clothes are clothes that I don't like anymore, just because I like growing out of them. Or like clothes that my mom gave that don't really fit me well or that I don't like, so that's what we're gonna be going through. Like this, I'm probably not gonna wear anytime soon. My whole side was out, back out, everything. I think this is from Mousse. Okay, so that's finally done. So I'm about to just put stuff together and straighten out my room. section, and I'm gonna show y'all the new method I've been trying to really get super defined curls. When you go in and rake, you want to rake from the root to make sure your roots are just as defined as your ends. The final look once it's dried and stretched out, so super impressed with it. I want to try the Briogeo and the foam together next time. That's pretty much all for this monthly hair vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye guys.